Hi everyone, welcome to a new lesson, and today's lesson is the meaning and using of neither nor. Firstly, the meaning of neither nor. My dears, neither nor means not this, not that. Not this, not that. Secondly, the pronunciation of neither nor. My dears, neither can be pronounced in two forms: British pronunciation and American pronunciation. The British pronunciation of neither is neither, neither, and its American pronunciation is neither, neither. So we have neither nor and neither nor. Thirdly, how to use neither nor. The first use. After neither nor, you can use adjectives like she's neither sad nor happy, or my father is neither serious nor witty, or my uncle was neither rich nor handsome, or the food was neither sour nor sweet, or Daniel seemed neither happy nor excited. And the second use. After neither nor, you can use nouns like neither Daniel nor David called me yesterday, or neither my father nor my mother listens to me carefully, or neither my sister nor my brothers will tell me the truth, or I invited neither Sarah nor Daniel to my party, or they're going to buy neither BMW nor Benz. They like Volvo. Or I want neither tea nor coffee. Or I have neither time nor money to travel a lot. And finally, the third use. My dears, if you want, you can use a sentence after neither nor each. But you should know that a sentence that is used after neither or nor should be in question form. The sentence that is used after neither or nor should be in question form. Like, neither can I speak French, nor do I like to learn it. Or, neither does he wash the dishes, nor does he clean the yard. Or, neither will they call Daniel, nor will they apologize him for their rudeness. Or, neither did Daniel do his homework, nor did he go to bed early. And neither are they going to invite us, nor are we going to participate in their party. Now it's your turn. My dears, I want you to give us some more examples and use neither nor. Now and finally, if you like our videos and like to learn more, please subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumb. I wish you the best.